We're at the 2nd of July and today we will sow some beetroots, some salad and some carrots because our salad is spoiled and too old to eat. It tastes like dandelion leaves more or less. And the beetroots I will show you. Well, this was a huge one really, but they're getting there, they're getting bigger. Maybe this one here. Oh, well, should have waited with this one too. Anyways, we put them in the ground about 2 months ago. And we want to have some harvest by the end of August or the beginning of September. So now is a good time to put some new seed into the ground. So we can use the full potential of summer to get some more harvests. As I mentioned earlier, our salad is way beyond eatable. So I just got to take down this before it will spread seeds everywhere. Oh, it's like a tree now. Ugh. And another one. I will try. Not tasty. To remove the old salad, or in this case spinach, we just cut down at the base of the plant. Then the roots will decompose as time goes, so we don't have to bother and dig it up or anything like that. Just take it at the base. And as you can see, it's been quite a lot of wind here, so we have to take up the weeds before we put in the new seeds, of course. Oh, look at this. Shouldn't leave it that long because it will really take a lot of nutrition from the ground. But sometimes you just don't have the time to do things when you should do them. Kolla vad ut. We got a little patch weed free, so now we're just gonna make a little trench to plant some iceberg salad and some salads called crispy summer salad. I don't really know what it is, but we'll find out. And I really do like to grow the kind of iceberg salad because I believe they taste very good and they don't go, you know, with the white sap into the leaves so quickly. I believe that they last longer than many of the other species. So let's plant them. See, on the package it might say that you have to place them like feet apart from each other. And if I'm gonna put one seed every feet, well, I will have not so much salad, and if one of them fails, maybe I won't have any salad at all. So I'm gonna put a lot of seeds because there are hundreds of seeds in here, so it doesn't really matter if I waste a few seeds. And as they sprout, I can just remove some if all of them turn out to sprout. I'll just remove the salad and I'll put them in my salad. So doesn't matter if we got a few too much. Okay. So I just cover the soil a little bit like this. And we add some water to the trench. Now we just hope and pray that they will sprout within the next few days, and that we will have some nice salad to our dinners a few weeks from now. Now we're at the no dig bed, and you know, the difference with this from the other is that I don't have to do any weeding here. I actually haven't done more than like maximum 1 hour of weeding for the whole season, if you include the spring also, in this 20 square meters or 200 square feet of a bed. So there's really advantage of a no-dig bed is that you don't get any weeds if you do it properly. But now we'll put some cucumbers. As you can see here, I have a few cucumbers, but they have not done very well. So I will put down maybe 20 seeds here, because we want a lot of cucumbers to can and use throughout the winter. And I will show you. It looks like this. It's a variety that you can grow outside, so you don't need a greenhouse, and it's perfect to can them for the winter or whenever you want to eat them. So that's the varieties we use. So I'll just make a little trench here as well. Oh, we had some dry weather, so some of the compost has not altogether decomposed. But I'm not too worried about that, because it will eventually decompose. So find a weed. Okay, let's put one of the varieties here. And last of all, we're going to put down some beetroots and some carrots. Not much to say about that, just a yellow vegetable, orange vegetable, and a purple vegetable that tastes real good. It really has been very dry this season, so I really hope that, I wished that we would have more decomposed soil, but it is what it is. There. So those seeds is expired like 3 years ago. So we'll see how many will sprout. It will be a bit of an experiment. And this one expired 6 years ago. A bag of carrots. So I just gonna use it up, everything, because yeah, it's no point saving it another year if it's expired 6 years ago. Oops, bit too many over here. Okay. That's all for today, and I hope that you enjoyed the episode. Now I wish you good luck with your own sowings, and if you like what we do here, please subscribe to this channel and write a comment. Well, I wish that God will bless you now and that you will have a good continuous day. See you next time.